This medal comes from the Office of Mayor Cleric School. Giselle T. Cairan. Steven P. Puna also receives a Service Award Gold Medal. Prince Hart C. Gold, Active Member Recognition, Man Society. So these are the Academic Excellence Awardees. Their medal comes from the Office of Mayor Cleric School. Congratulations, and you may now don the medals. Service awardees. They will receive the gold medal. We have Chenly D. Amparo.